2018 was one of the best years for Tesla. What will 2019 look like? I'll tell you. I'll be right back. Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and I'm here at the Supercharger in St. Petersburg and on my extended vacation. And what I'm going to do is a review of 2018 and looking ahead for 2019. But I know I want to do this. I was thinking about it. I think we should mention 2008 because 2008, 2018, and we'll see what happened in 2019, were the most important milestone dates for Tesla, and that because in 2008 on Christmas Eve, it was the do or die date for Tesla. That is when Elon Musk at the last moment got a contract from NASA for $1 billion for SpaceX, which saved SpaceX and also gave him a lifeline for to continue Tesla, and that was an amazing miracle almost. And it took 10 years from 2008 to 2018 to get the Tesla Roadster going, and then the Tesla Model S produced and delivered, and then so many delays on the Tesla Model X. People forgot about it. It was delayed by a few years because of the doors and all that. And then 2018 was really hell on earth, like production hell. Production hell would have been a compliment. The Tesla almost went out of business in 2018, and by a stroke of brilliance of making an outdoor production facility at the parking lot of the Tesla factory in California, to ramp up production of Model 3s and to start delivering them. Without that, Tesla would have been gone probably. And by the skin of their teeth, just like in 2008, Tesla got out of it, beat all expectation and all predictions, and delivered more than 120,000 Model 3s, and there's still a few days for 2018, so we'll see what happened in this month and the last quarter altogether. So the numbers are off the chart, and that event of at the last minute able to produce and deliver so many Tesla Model 3s really saved the future of Tesla, and also really, in my opinion, saved the future of EVs, because if Tesla falls, I think everybody else goes by the wayside. Because Tesla is more than 50% of all EVs sold in the United States, more than 50%, even close to 60. We'll see the final numbers. I will do a video about it next month when all the numbers are in, and you'll see that it's close even to 60%. Not to mention the very interesting character of Elon Musk, who is a different kind of a person. People like this are not exactly the same like everybody else, thank God, and everything that he's doing. And so his famous tweet about taking Tesla public cost him $20 million and losing his chairmanship. Also, like I said, the production hell and all the other issues that they have. But at the end of the day, they did it. The journey sometimes doesn't really matter. And if it's not the same way some people thought that they should be doing it, I don't care. At the end of the day, they have done what nobody else did in EV market. Really, nobody. It's unbelievable what Tesla is doing. So the production hell, the FTC threat to sue Tesla in the settlement, and all the last minute ability to produce and deliver were milestones, were do or die. So what's to look for 2019? I think that 2019 is going to be incredible, and I'll tell you why. There are a few factors. Number one, Tesla Model 3 deliveries to Europe are unscheduled, and they should be getting going beginning in through 2019. Tesla Gigafactory is being built in Shanghai, China, and that market can be incredibly important for Teslas. They actually reduced their price there. See how that's going to go. And also, I think that if Tesla is able to introduce, take deposits, produce and deliver Tesla Model Y in 2020, even if it's mid 2020, that will be the absolute game changer. That will be the absolute tipping point of this whole operation, because everybody else, by default or by design, are so way behind. I read all of these plans and Volkswagen and Rivian, and I wish them all success, but to me they are like 10 years behind. And Tesla had a 10 years head start of designing, producing, delivering, fixing issues, learning on the fly. Their learning curve is so much faster now than anybody else. And I think that the most important thing about Tesla, the most important thing, I know that people talk about cars and technology, but to me the most important thing is what I'm doing right now. Supercharging. Tesla put literally the cart before the horse. Think about Model T 120 years ago. You know, the cars were produced, then gas stations came. They made the gas station, the charging station, even ahead. Now, the charging stations are now falling behind because there are so many cars, and some of them are, I experienced it firsthand last week. But if many thousands more are being built, they are under construction. So eventually, the supercharging and the inventory on the roads, the cars on the roads, will match. But now the superchargers are falling behind because there are so many cars. But that's not the biggest issue. It's annoying, it's inconvenient, but it is being solved as we speak. But to compare Tesla to everybody else by having their own supercharging network is unbelievable. It's incredible. It's mind-boggling. I drove a Florida trip back and forth. Stopping every 150, 200 miles, charging. It's incredible. You are able to do that. Is it, did I lose hours? Did I lose time doing that if I drove a regular car? Yes, 100%. But that's just a matter of time. Superchargers will come up. Superchargers that you will spend 5 minutes will be a reality. It's a mathematical certainty. Okay, it's just a matter of time. So people like me and many other people who are willing to, quote unquote, pay the price and wait a little longer, it's fine with us. But it will eventually cut. So to me, 2019 is the continuous expansion of superchargers, faster superchargers. Model Y and Tesla truck will be not game over. Game over is bombastic, but it will be unbelievable feat and unbelievable achievement. So wishing Tesla the best, and hopefully, and I hope and pray that everybody else will do the same thing. I want to see GM, who just closing 4 factories, to do what they said and to transform all their fleet into pure electric cars, trucks, SUVs, whatever it is that they make. But that's for another time. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what you predict. Let me know what's your review. Let me know what's your milestones, and we'll have an awesome conversation. Thank you, guys. Have a happy and a healthy new year, and I'll continue to see you every single day, making a video a day. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Please support my channel by becoming a patron. I appreciate that, and I'll see you tomorrow.